Hello friends, it is Running Kimono and this is the Walgreens preview for the week of April the 4th to the 10th. So on Sunday the 4th, it will be Easter Sunday. Happy Easter to everybody who celebrates. Yeah, if you are going to take a weekend off, I will still have a video on Sunday to show you the best deals. So with the holiday of Easter, so it's celebrated on the 4th, and typically on the 5th, which will be Monday, the Easter merchandise, hopefully all of it, will be 50% off. Sometimes with the candy, they're always very stingy with that over at Walgreens for whatever reason. Tentatively, it's predicted that on the 12th, it'll hit 70, and then the 14th, 90. So the week following, they want that stuff off the floor. Now, this little guy showed up on Wednesday, which is $3 of Walgreens cash when you spend 35. Hey, 7 back when you spend 50. I miss you because this one is skimpy. So this is a one-time use, and as you could see, it's from the 4th to the 10th. Because the word spend is in there, you must pay cash for the balance. Credit card, debit card, pennies, cash bills, whatever you have. Again, the rules, it's from the 4th to the 10th. As it's a spend booster, you must pay for the balance. You can't use your Walgreens cash. And it's a one-time use. This one is exceptionally chintzy, so I might just pass on this one altogether. The first little item that we're going to talk about is a total freebie. It is this drink called Buy Boost. So $1.99 back with the IBOTTA rebate app. So check if you might have it, and check that you have this rebate when you walk into the store. Just don't buy it. Always double, triple check your rebates to make sure that you have the proper ones or they haven't expired. And if you want to join my team, there's a link in the notes, and you're going to be given $20 when you submit your first qualifying receipt. So pretty awesome. So check that out if you're interested. Okay, so the first little dealio that we have is with IBOTTA. So in the dollar spot over at Walgreens, these single bags of Hungry Jack instant mashed potatoes, $1. There's a 75-cent rebate on IBOTTA, making it 25 cents. You can do this up to 5 times, so that's exceptionally cheap mashed potatoes. If you're a lazy cook like yours truly, you know that's a staple for your pantry. They have this dollar spot. Find it on an end cap or near the pharmacy, or ask where the dollar spot is. They have a bunch of food that's $1. If you look at the shelves, it's the second one from the top, right smack dab in the center. There it is. The next little deal that we're going to talk about is with the Compeed. $6.99 on the site right now, and I'm not sure if that's a weekly deal or a monthly price. So we're going to look at this 2 different ways. So this is found like with the Band-Aid stuff. It's like a blister care Band-Aid. So in the savings insert of March the 28th, we have this $5 off coupon, which is like very generous. See, find in first aid aisle. So you'll find this near the Band-Aids and all that good stuff. And IBOTTA has a $5 rebate that you can only do once. So, matching those two, even at $9.99, it's going to be a freebie. So we're going to look at this 2 different ways. So if the Compeed is $6.99, present one of those coupons from that savings insert of March the 28th. You'll pay $1.99, get back $5 from IBOTTA, making it free, plus a $3.01 moneymaker. Now, if it's $9.99, because I'm not sure what the price will be on Sunday, because I didn't get to the store to read the tags or like play in the first aid aisle. It's $9.99. Subtracting that $5 coupon, you'll pay $4.99, and then make that $5 submission to IBOTTA, making it free. And if you want to use Walgreens cash for this little scenario, that's totally A-okay and cool. The next deal that we're going to do is a spend offer. So you must pay cash for the balance. So credit card, debit card, pennies, cash bills, whatever you have. First item that we're going to grab is 2 of these Herbal Essence Bio-Renew. There will be a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that we can load on Sunday morning to accompany this deal. Unfortunately, the Pantene's going to jump up to $4.79 each, so that's why it's not part of this deal. These little Shea Moisture, it's little hair mask. They are 2 for $5. If you look at the bottom right-hand corner, it says good through April the 24th. We have these $2 coupons from that saving insert of March the 28th. We're going to need 2 of these. So looking at the math for this one, 2 of the Herbal Essence Bio-Renew for $12. 4 of those Shea Moisture masks, they're 2 for $5, so times 4, that's $10. The total right there is 22. So we've made our cap of spend 20, get our $5 of Walgreens cash. Subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital, along with 2 5 off of 2s from the savings of March the 28th, that's $10 off right there. You'll pay $8 cash out of pocket. You must pay cash for the balance. That's not negotiable. So bills, credit card, debit card, pennies, whatever you have. You're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $3 for the 6 items or 50 cents each. Now, if you might have one of those boosters like, $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20 or something better than what I got that 3 off of 15, it would obviously make this a little money maker and a freebie. So if you love shampoo, this is a great little deal for you. Okay, so if you are a chip addict, I think you could already see the value here, especially if you like Doritos, because a bag of Doritos is always like, even at Walmart, like $2.99. That stuff is made out of gold. So these are 3 for $6. So that is a very good price point. So 3 of them would be $6 on the nose. You know what I would do? Throw in $5 of Walgreens cash, pay $1 for 3 or 33 cents per bag of Doritos. That is an unheard of price point. This is also part of the Fetch Rewards catalog, so photograph your receipt for extra points with Fetch. Okay, another part of the deal of the week is with the Scott's toilet paper, paper towel, or the Kleenex, all part of Kimberly-Clark. So these guys are $5 a piece, and there's $1.75 IVC. Over on the Fetch Rewards app, well, there's new little rebates for these products as it's part of their catalog, so photograph your receipt to that app for extra points. So looking at this, I would grab 1 Scott's toilet paper for $5, subtracting that $1.25 IVC. I would throw in $3 of Walgreens cash and pay 75 cents. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. You will get some points for that. And there's some rumors and whispers about the price of toilet paper will increase because of that boat being stuck in the Suez Canal for about a week. Apparently, the goods that were in those containers, a lot of it is raw material to make toilet paper. So it's halting a lot of production for a couple weeks. So people are saying, toilet paper is a little bit more now. So, I mean, this $5, it's going to stay at that price point. They can't really change the pricing of it because that's the price on the bags and stuff over at Walgreens. So if this is a really good deal for you and you have the Walgreens cash to toss in, I would absolutely do this deal. So let's take a little peek-a-loo at this. A $5 register reward when you buy 2 of these products, and there's a whole bingo board of stuff. So we're going to look at 2 different little deals, one for the parents out there and one meat and potatoes Oral-B toothbrush deal, which is this. $4 each. There's going to be a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, so there's a little bit of razzle dazzle and magic there. And then if you go over to your IBOTTA account, there's $1 back that you can do up to 5 times. So if you're buying 2 of these toothbrushes, you should be in business for this deal, and double check that your IBOTTA rebate is there before you do this dealio. So grabbing 2 of these Oral-B brushes at $4 a pop, that's 8. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're left with paying 5 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward. We have that $1 IBOTTA we'll get back twice. So it makes this free plus a $1 money maker. And if you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, if you're just buying these brushes on their own, that's totally a-okay. Okay, so now we're looking at the Ninjamas. So this is a new product by Pampers, I'm guessing. So they are 2 for $18 on that same promotion of a $4 register reward when you buy 2. So we're going to grab 2 of these Ninjamas. Now, as you can see, there's a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. So definitely load this, and it's attaching to those products. Over on IBOTTA, $2 back. So you're going to get $4 back with your IBOTTA account. Again, double check that you have this before you buy it to make sure that that rebate's still there. So grabbing 2 of the Ninjamas for $18, subtracting that 5 off of 2 digital, you're left with paying 13 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward. Plus, you're going to collect $2 back from IBOTTA twice, so that's an extra $4 there. Dropping it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per bag of those diapers. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so now we have a little dealio here with the Colgate, $3.99, $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Dollar coupons in a recent insert. I think it's in the Smart Source of March the 28th. If there might be some better coupons on Sunday, this could be a better deal. But anyhow, grabbing 2 of them, subtracting $2 coupons, you're paying $5.98, getting back your $4 of Walgreens cash, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents each, which is a lot for these sort of products. If some digital coupon shows up on Sunday, like a really good, 4 off of 2 or 3 off of 2, we might have a deal, but at this, it's still kind of expensive. So unless something really great shows up, I will not be doing this deal myself. Okay, so now we have some Oscar Mayer bacon, 2 for $8, which is a really great price point. I think if you go to like Meijer or Walmart, these things are usually like $5 for one. So grabbing 2 of them for $8, you would pay that out of pocket. $1.50 back register reward. So this is a national Catalina deal taking place right up until the end of the month. So it drops it down to $6.50 for the two, or $3.25 per bag of Oscar Mayer bacon. That's a really good deal. And if you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, you will still earn that register reward. So this is a very, very good deal. And again, this is taking place right up until the 24th, where the register reward will print. Okay, now we have a little deal with the Venus Gillette, these good items. $3 coupon, $5 register reward on your next purchase. Grabbing one of the Venuses for $10.99, subtracting that $3 manufacturer, you're left with paying $7.99 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $2.99 for a razor. If you wish to use some Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so the Bulldog, there's going to be a 7 off of 2 digital coupon and $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. We're looking at products around that $7 or $6 neighborhood, around there for Bulldog. So grabbing 2 of them, I think this is like the $7 price point, is $14.98. Subtracting that 7 off of 2 digital, you're left with paying $7.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 of Walgreens cash, making it $3.98 for the 2, or $1.99 for each. If you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance for this one, go for it, and you will still earn the Walgreens cash. Okay, so now we're going to talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one is with the Tide Simply, or the Downy. They're $2.95. There's going to be a $1 digital coupon, dropping it down to $1.95. So if you need, some quick detergent for $1.95 for Tide or Downy, this is not the worst deal. So I would definitely load that coupon Sunday morning. The DiGiorno pizza that's usually $6.99 for one is 2 for $10. It says $5.99, but up here it's always $6.99. But still, if you wanted to use, $10-20 of Walgreens cash, get 2 or 4, really good and quick food. And then the final thing we're talking about is this little flyer coupon for 99 cents for the aluminum foil, paper plates, that good stuff. You would just get to load it digitally, or get the cashier to scan this off of your phone, and it would drop it down to 99 cents for the Walgreens brand for these products. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys!